Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just got ready and now I'm gonna go downstairs and see what these boys are doing. I'm pretty sure they're already ready.
By the time I went down, like I guess the guys were ready. They started the car and they are waiting for me. The car was pretty warm by the time I went, so I'm lucky. And immediately we started to our destination. It was around 6 o'clock, I guess. If you guys can see, it was super dark. Actually, we did start it early.
Awesome, finally the light that I'm waiting for is here. So hi guys, again welcome back to my channel. So we are actually going for a hike today, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We started around 6 o'clock. It was super dark, I know, so lesson learned. We should start around like maybe 8 o'clock. Should be good while you're doing winter hike, that too in Calgary. So right now it is 8:53 and this is the sunlight that we have right now. The sun is barely up. So right now we are going to Chester Lake Trail. So it is around 9.8 kilometers out and back. So we have already been here once for the camping. I have also shot a video where we have seen bears in that camping, Fulton Creek camping. So I have a video as well, so I'm gonna link that in the description. So please do watch that as well. It's really amazing to see bears. It was super good experience. That's the first time I actually saw bears. So you guys can also see that. I always like drive to Kanaskus, especially because of these mountains, and during this winters it will be way more amazing to see these mountains with the sunlight. It's like super good. I'm gonna show you guys the view that I am seeing and I'm enjoying. I hope you all will also enjoy, so stay tuned till we go to the trial. I'm gonna share with you guys all the sceneries that I'm seeing here.
So like I mentioned, we en routed back, and on our way back we did see this trail which is called Galati Creek. So we stopped here, and this trail has like couple of lakes
So
around.
we actually didn't go to the hike that we planned because of the road. It was like too snowy and we still didn't have winter tires yet, so we have cancelled that and we en routed back. And on the way we have seen this trail, so we stopped here and we started to hike here. I don't know how long we are going to do. We are going to complete this hike or not. I'm just trying to be careful because it's all snowy like you guys can see, but hope for the best. Let's see if we can reach to the lake and finish our trail. There you go. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Okay, just now the route have been settled. Otherwise, like you guys can see, we just like crossed this whole slopey thing on snow, but now it is like pretty good. We would have actually had our winter tires. Like I really want to go do that hike, but because of no winter tires we didn't go. So I'm okay. Next time after we set up our winter tires, we are going to try that again. Feels really good, really fresh air, and the first viewpoint. So let's go, keep going. Come, let's go. Viewpoint number 2, guys. This is third bridge, I guess. So feels like Snow World.
I probably must have mentioned in the previous hike videos that I love the nature sound, like the breeze sound, the water flowing sound. I really enjoy it. If anyone who is watching this video and you also really enjoy woods, please let me know in the comment section. I would really love to know.
So like you guys can see, this is the last bridge. We are gonna end our hike here. Like I mean to say, we are out backing now. So we really enjoyed walking here. We really enjoyed hiking this trail and it is really super fun. And also I'm going to end this vlog here because I'm going to quickly go back and we will head back home. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching all the sceneries in this vlog. If you really enjoyed watching, please hit that like button, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and also share this channel. And I really appreciate whoever subscribed to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye.